did you get me into this? I got nothing but time. Dude, this is perfect.
Switching over to Kota's camera, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome back to the
Kota's vlog now.
Got
Make
new
sure you
camera.
guys like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, I'm copying this.
No, you're not. Kota, I got dibs on that already. I already texted Keanu all the info. I said, go swoop this thing. He said, okay.
Well,
No, I'm buying it.
Keanu better
Better hurry up.
hurry up
Dude, I'm
before I make
I'm
call.
about to outbid you right now.
Outbid
Dude,
me.
I'm able to sell Leah's car if I get that. It's freaking perfect.
5-speed, 4-door, RB25 turbo.
Nope, that's mine. Wait, what? Gabe showed you that? Why did he show you that? Hey, I'm gonna get a Stagio with 34 front then.
Do it. I want you to.
You're not my friend anymore. No more YouTube shout outs for you.
Oh,
I got you, Kota. This whole vlog's about you.
Aw, dude, Jordan's
Jordan.
turning on me too.
damn.
Okay.
Thumbnail for Josh and Jordan vlog. I got 22 subs right now.
This
Josh
video?
just uploaded this video. Let's see how much I get.
Subscribe to Kota's channel.
Yeah, yes sir.
10,000.
Let's go.
10,000 by
Let's go.
by today.
10,000 right now.
10,000 by today.
Not anymore. I just gonna put his face saying like 56 and
Dude, I have to restart now. 1, 2.
new camera.
Hey,
Looking great.
now we're behind the scenes of Kota's channel.
Who's behind the scenes? Kota on our video or us on his video?
I don't know, but this is kind of cool.
Two cameramans on the day.
So hot. Double filmage.
Double footage.
Home Depot.
Yeah. We got Home Depot.
You guys do YouTube or something?
Wait, do we?
Guys,
Getting
Kota's
some-
new car on the Prelude.
Getting some.
326 star stuff.
I was gonna talk.
Oh, I'm on camera now.
Hello?
Yeah, just pull up your car and then I'll call them to fork lift it in, okay?
Alright, what are we doing? We're gonna put this air compressor on this thin ass plywood.
On the bottom here.
We can lift it?
Bottom on the wood.
Big boys. Big boys. Is it heavy? I did it.
That was a lot of help, Kota. I'm gonna crop into your fingers.
Heavy?
We got a smaller one.
The guy's
What?
legs are just
Snap.
as big as
Chopsticks. Okaidi!
Tadaima!
Got to the land. The snap on light is so good. So bright. And unload everything we bought today to the garage. Hurry up.
Scary.
Is it pitch black in there? Alright, where are we gonna put this at?
Oh, what do they get? What's important in here? Not really important stuff, right? Where'd you bring it from?
So many bugs in my face because of this light.
How you do that? Out of here, B.
We ready?
Jordan's about to edit the next vlog on the way there.
So guys, I'm making Kota's video.
Can you edit my vlog?
I'm making Kota's vlog right now.
On the go.
Doing it.
ISO 1280. Wait.
Is there any lights to your truck? There you go.
Oh snap.
5 hours away.
Thanks for driving me to get my car.
Yeah, dude.
Kota, how does it feel to have 5,000 subscribers already? With no video, nothing.
No video.
Same, bro.
No content.
No content.
It took me and
Already
Josh,
following
it took us
me.
2 months to get to 500.
Whoa.
Started from the bottom.
You're
Wow.
fucking hacks, man. You're cheating.
Hacking YouTube. Told you, I'm Yoda. I can hack.
Yoda the Yoda.
Yoda, dude.
I'll see you in the morning, sir.